What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the 18th of December 2025, and we'll be looking at volatility 51s today, going over the price action. So let's get right into the video. Today I didn't take any trades on the synthetics. We just went straight up, continued from the breakout. So this is what we did. Once we broke out of the range here, we just continued buying up, So we bought, break out of the range, and we heading into the premium area of this supply level. So we went there, and now we having a little bit of pullback on Friday's candle. So that's the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we traded down to this low. Well, this is the low. This would have been the wick. So not much of a wick on that candle, and we close at the highs right here. So we went all the way up and then came right back to close there. So looking at this, the day started right around here, and then we just went up all the way up to here. So that's what that did on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour time frame now, on the 1-hour time frame, so this was the previous open. So the opened right there and closed right there. So no manipulation on the daily wick. We just traded, consolidated, broke out, came back to close right there. So nice go buy day. No manipulation. We just continued from the previous day. So that's what happened. Looking at the entries time frame, and that's the 3-minute for me. Broke out of this consolidation right here, and we just continued higher, came back down into this demand level again here, came back into another demand. So sideways here, came back down, broke out again. We tested this demand several times before we finally broke out to the upside. We had buys there, consolidation here before we broke out. So we just kept on basing, then rallying, and came back down to here again and rallied again. Didn't make it back to the highs, and then we came down to close the day. So this was a nice little change of character here after, but during this part it was just bullish. So mainly bullish price action. Wouldn't be looking to take any sales, just buys and the pullbacks to continue higher. So that is really it for today's video. Let's see if we continue breaking out to the upside, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is really a re-record because I did the video before and it didn't record with any audio, so I had to do it over. But I'll catch you guys for next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Peace.